Every year, thousands of people are involved in electrical arc accidents, flash fires, molten metal splash incidents, and combustible dust explosions in the workplace. Electric arc flash injuries rank fourth in most common workplace fatalities, and the majority occur when working with less than 600 volts. A flash fire can appear without warning, generating thousands of degrees of heat and energy, igniting clothing and burning unprotected skin. Molten metal burns are a frequent industrial injury among workers in foundries, fabrication facilities, or other areas where metal is heated to the melting point. And one of the most violent workplace hazards is combustible dust, concentrations of airborne particles in an enclosed area that become ignited by a spark or even static electricity. If your workers survive one of these catastrophes, their lives are disrupted. Families come under stress and financial hardship. Your company is subjected to increased liability and incurs thousands of dollars in remediation costs and possibly governmental penalties. How can you protect your employees from these hazards and potentially avoid the serious legal consequences of failure to provide and enforce the use of protective apparel for every worker who is at risk? Now there is an answer. Cintas, the industry leader in uniforms and industrial cleaning, can help you develop a flame-resistant clothing program that keeps your company compliant and your workers safe. In fact, Cintas is the largest provider of professionally managed flame-resistant clothing programs in North America. Cintas brings a comprehensive line of products and services backed by our leading FRC industry involvement and leadership. Our protective apparel specialists will help you design and implement the proper flame-resistant clothing program. Cintas offers the most comfortable and durable flame-resistant clothing in the industry. For companies implementing the NFPA 70E simplified approach, the clothing system is separated into two categories, providing flame-resistant everyday work clothing for routine tasks, then adding more intense coverage for working in greater risk environments with hazards that can release greater amounts of energy. As an employer providing flame-resistant garments, it is your responsibility to comply with the proper care and maintenance of your garments. But did you know that you are also responsible even if your employees provide and maintain their own personal protective equipment, such as flame-resistant clothing? Flame resistance and effectiveness can be severely diminished if your workers do not launder, repair, and upgrade their apparel properly, leaving you liable. With the very lives of your workers on the line, there's no time to waste. Be safe. Be compliant. Choose a Cintas flame-resistant clothing program for your company.